Hi boys and girls, my name is Teacher Lisa and today I'm going to show you a nice and easy and fun home activity to do with letter matching. So in doing this activity, you will have upper and lowercase recognition of letters, hand-eye coordination, letter recognition, and you can add in sounds as you go, and I will show you how to do that. You can also talk and discuss about the differences of the letters, that some have holes, some are straight, some have curves, some have lines, some don't. So I'll go ahead and show you what the materials you will need in order to do this activity. So first you will need construction paper. I used a big one to do all the letters, but if you only have the half size, then you can just do half of the letters this time, and the next time you can do the other half. You also will need some scissors. You will need a marker. You will need a glue stick. And then you will need a ruler. And then you will need some, like I said, some construction paper. I used white because that's what I have, but you can also use colored construction paper as well. So the first thing you will do is, with your big paper that you have, and even if it's the half, you will need to draw lines like this. So if you only have the half, like I said, then you can do it this way and then do the letters this way, and then just do what you have, whatever letters it goes up to, and then next time you can continue it and start with the letters you left off and do it that way. But if you do have the whole paper, then I was able to fit in all the letters of the alphabet. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 across, in order to make sure I can fit all the letters. So what I did was I wrote uppercase and lowercase. I know that I talk to my children a lot about the upper and lowercase right now, so we want them to understand that that there are large letters that the words begin with, and then there are the lowercase, which to complete whatever word you're trying to spell. So this is what I did. I wrote the uppercase, lowercase on here, and then if you're wondering why I have these, you could either, since I'm doing letter matching, I'm going to show you what you could do for the letter matching. But if you don't have extra construction paper, what you could do is just have them practice writing these letters inside these squares, because I know that they like to do that. So if you don't have the extra construction paper, you could just have them write. But the activity that I'm doing is the extra construction paper. So what I did was I had my paper and then I cut it into strips. So this is the strips. I kind of matched it up with the size of the square that I have. So this way when they glue it, it's not overlapping anything, so it will fit in there. So, and it ended up being the size that I need. So what I did was I wrote all the letters on here, and then on the strips, you will cut it, and then you'll end up with squares. And then what I did is you are going to write, you can have them write it too, the lowercase letters on here. So you're only going to use the lowercase. What you want to do is talk to them about the letter, maybe mix them up, and this way it can be a little harder. Don't keep them in order. Let them mix them up, so this way they have to look and try to match the letter. You know, talk about A sounds, ah. Can you think of anything that sounds with the letter A? You know, as they go letter to letter, you can do something like that with them so that they can learn the sound of the letter as well. So you would get the glue stick and you would have them match the letters. So it would be A, and then, like I said, mix them up, give them a little bit of a challenge. What did I get? D, like this, and so on and so on. So then these are the squares that they would be gluing them on for letter recognition, and then as well as hand-eye coordination, because they would have to look and try to make it fit in there, and then upper and lowercase. So you're going to discuss that the big one is uppercase, the little one is lowercase, And like I said, this is something that we are working with on in the classroom every day, and for them to understand that letters make words, and letters in the environment are actually say something. So in the classroom you'll see a lot of letters, and look at this, has STORY. That says story. But if you notice, the S is an uppercase. And you're going to notice the T and the O and the R and the Y. Those are all lowercase letters. So just for them to understand that letters make words, and that there are uppercase and lowercase letters. So that is our activity for today. And I hope you enjoyed my activity, and I hope you have fun learning. Thank you.